Hey guys, Redneck Computer Geek here. We're heading out right now because the ghost of YouTube got a hold of me and said that he found John the perfect winter project. It's 25 bucks. It's out at a fellow junker's location. The thing about this guy is that he is one of those people, the moment cash shows up, things disappear. Sometimes they walk away without cash showing up. So we're going out there immediately in order to go grab it and get it right now. I'll just allow the amount of stuff here to sink in on you right now. But it's an entire, 2-mile long road worth of everything. Not gonna lie, if I could walk out with this thing right now, I would. It is a Chevette, but it is an Isuzu diesel Chevette. And it's in really decent condition considering we're up here in Maine. Let's see what the last registration thing is here. It came from Connecticut, 1997. Actually still has the taillights and stuff. Chrome bumper. Let's see if we can take a look inside here. Man, I tell you what, if this thing ends up staying here one more year, we might have to go and... Well, so much for that headliner. Wow, look at that interior. Okay, I gotta walk away before I decide I'm gonna sell something I probably shouldn't in order to be able to buy this thing, because it's really tempting. My mom and I never got along when I was a kid, but she had one of these in fluorescent red, and I really miss that car. Alright, so Mark found this. I went over and I bought it, okay? It's a brand new tablecloth.
Okay.
Ready? What do you think? Yeah? I can't find any name brand on it anywhere, so you're gonna have to tear it apart and see if you can find some information on it. I did some research last night and we can buy a brand new engine for it. I can't seem to find anything else on it, but I did find we can buy an engine. And the front brakes are definitely locked up. And I'm hoping the rear brakes are going to come loose because I can't find them anywhere on anything I've looked up. So guys, John's going to work on this. We're going to see where we're at in a little while. But there's a good chance we're going to need some help with finding parts for this thing. My email address will be in the description. If you know anything about what in the world this thing is, please send me some info in an email. John would appreciate it too, right, John?
Yeah, question, is this a weed whacker engine?
Yes, it's a weed whacker engine. It's a 49cc 2-stroke weed whacker engine with electric start. So the more I researched it, the more I found out that these are actually really common in order to bypass the moped law that is in most of the United States. Technically, this is borderline almost legal to ride here in the state of Maine. It's got a couple of things in it that aren't quite legal, but could be made legal. You want to see if you can pull it out and see if you can sit on it? Can you move it? Yeah, I'm still surprised the seat is in good condition too. Hey, you look pretty good on that thing. I think Mark found it just in time for you to actually fit on it for quite a while. Can you actually put a foot to the foot peg? Oh yeah, you can only just barely reach the foot peg, so yeah, you'll grow into it. That's pretty cool. Is there what?
It's broken.
Yeah, the kickstand's broken. We can find a kickstand. That's no big deal. What do you think? You think it's a cool winter project?
Yes, how much was this?
It was 25 bucks.
Worth it.
What?
Worth it.
Worth it? Okay. What'd you find? So we got throttle, we got a brake. The other brake is broken off. We've got some sort of bunch of switches here. It looks as if it actually had turn signals. And the other thing I noticed was that the brake cable on this side is actually wired with an active switch. So I'm assuming that was actually a brake actuated. But what's funny is the brake on this side does not have the switch wired in. So it only had the brake light working for one side apparently. We'll have to find out whether the speedometer actually works.
It says...
This is a starter with pull start assist. And there's the solenoid. I did find out that they make a quote-unquote racing carburetor for this engine. So we might have to play with that idea. And there's a rectifier in here, so it must have had a charge circuit in it somewhere. This platform here was apparently for the battery. That's why it's got this weird little pad thing cut out. And originally it would have had a plate here and a plate on the other side, I'm assuming, based on it having mounting tabs here and here. But I don't know, guys. Comment, throw me an email, give me some info, that way I can help John with rebuilding this thing. I build things with 4 wheels. I do not have a clue about 2-wheel stuff. So we're going to learn as we go, right, John?
I do.
You know about 2-wheel stuff?
Yeah.
Have you ever worked on one of these?
No, I've actually done research with these girls.
Oh, you've researched them before. Okay. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You can go ahead. What did you think it was?
I thought it was one of the motorcycles from one of those riding things that's outside the grocery store.
Oh yeah, it does. It looks like one of those pay 25 cents to ride on type things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that tank is definitely fake. I don't see any markings on it anywhere. It's got a weird little mile per hour. Yeah, I highly doubt it does 40 like it says it does. It's even got turn signals and a headlight setting on it. I don't see an engine right off. Oh, right there it is. It is. It's one of those weed whacker ones like I thought I saw. Yeah, it's a glorified weed whacker. Alright, cool. Yeah, we'll grab it for 25 bucks and we'll throw it on. We'll see what we can do with it.